In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view version history in Microsoft Loop. Version history is your safety net in a collaborative workspace. It lets you see how a page has changed over time and, if needed, roll it back to an earlier state. This is especially helpful when lots of people are editing at once or when you want to trace when a change happened. Start by opening the Loop page you're working on. This is most reliable in the Loop web app or in a desktop browser. While you can access content on mobile, the option to view version history doesn't always appear there consistently. So for the best experience, stick to the web. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of the page header. Click the three dots, the ellipsis icon. Depending on your screen size or layout, this may be labeled Settings and More, or it may simply appear as three dots without a label. If your window is narrow, the icon can be tucked into the header area, so give that corner a quick glance. In the menu that opens, choose Version History. When you select it, a panel appears on the right side of your screen listing past saved versions by date and time. Think of these as time-stamped snapshots of the page. The list helps you quickly narrow down when a change was made, whether it was earlier today or a few days ago. Click any version in the list to preview it. Loop will show you what the page looked like at that specific moment, so you can verify the text, formatting, and structure before making any decisions. Take a moment to scroll through the preview and confirm that what you're seeing is indeed the state you want to return to. If you're confident and want to roll back, use the Restore option. This will revert the current page to the selected snapshot. Keep in mind that restoring affects the live page, so your collaborators will see the change. It's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct version before you proceed. If you're coordinating with a team, you might want to give them a quick heads up so everyone knows why the page changed. That's all there is to it. Open your Loop page, use the three-dot menu in the top right, choose Version History, preview a snapshot, and restore if needed. As of late 2025, this workflow is the most consistent on the web or in a desktop browser. With these steps, you can explore edits confidently, knowing you can always look back or go back whenever you need to.